Hello everyone, in front of me is REALME GT Neo 3T, and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So at first, let's open the contacts, pick the one that you wish to add this profile picture to, and select edit icon. Now click on add picture, and select the picture that you want to from illustration. You can explore it a bit more and choose the category, and then select the picture. Here we've got several of them and then different color palettes. So as you can see, you can customize the contact pretty well. And then you can also choose some picture of yours. So go to Google Photos or Device Photos. It's up to you from which album you want to select the picture from. Let me choose Gallery. And actually I have nothing here, maybe in Google Photos. Okay, so here I've got something. Let me choose, for example, this one. You can customize it also. And then tap on choose to apply it. Then click on save to add it to this contact. And that's it, it has been done, so congrats. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.